Well, good morning, everybody. It's me, Mitch. Just a short video here to recap on this final day of Amazon Prime Day. Some of the deals I found that I think are helpful for carnivores. No obligation. Take a look at these if you think you might want one. There'll be links for them in the description of this video. Some of them are my regularly recommended items on my website, oldguycarnivore.com, on the links to stuff I use every day page. And let's go to the links to stuff I use every day page, and let's look at the kitchen and small appliances. The first thing that I bought for myself, it's quite a deal. This is Cuisinart vertical smoker, 30-inch. And let's look and see. Yes, it's still a Prime Day deal, $158. Regularly $249, so it's about $100 savings. If you think you might have wanted a smoker, I think this might be a great option for you. So there's that one. Then, going down the list, I saw that the 12-inch Mueller frying pan is $25. As you can see, I've purchased this a few times myself. This is also a Prime Day deal. Again, you might be interested in that. I think the thermometer is on deal. Yes, it is. It's $66 for the long range one. You never see savings on that. So that's regularly $100. $66.44 is a good price. These deals are going to last through today only. I'm pretty certain of that. This thermometer, this is $18 now, 42% off. I love this tool. It's well worth having. It's well worth having. One of my favorite things is the bacon grease catcher's a Prime Day deal down to $15. You might want to consider one of those. Next deal I found, this Instapot Duo is now $100, down from $150. It's the replacement, the newer model of the one that I bought for $75. That's gone. But this model does have a kind of a new improved control panel on it. It's got a automatic steam release. They bill it as Whisper Quiet. So that's something you might be interested in. Just reminding you of that. I also bought the glass lid for that. It's not a special. It's not on any special, but it's $18. And I think that if you're going to do a lot of sous videing, slow cooking, anything like that, this will make it a lot easier and quicker. You don't have to worry about cleaning up that pressure cooker top and cleaning the seal and all that stuff. So I went ahead and bought one of those too for myself. This little Ninja air fryer, it's got a limited time deal of $89.99. If you don't have an air fryer and you don't have a lot of counter space, you just want a reliable basket style air fryer at $90, this is something to look at. The Ninja 651 is back to $179 again. That's the best price I've ever seen on this. So if you're still hold out on this, this is my favorite air fryer, $179.99. Again, all the links to these things are on my website, and I'm going to put links to them in the description of this video as well. And this is something that's a little off topic, but you might be interested in it because of the deal. The EcoFlow home backup battery supply. It's big, weighs 30 pounds. It'll run refrigerators. It'll run anything if you have the need to charge up a bunch of stuff. If you have a power failure, this thing's got USB ports all over the front of it. And I've been looking at these things for years now, wanting to buy one. This model's been around $1,000. They got it on sale right now. 52% of $479. It didn't take me a whole lot of thought to pick one up at that price. You'll maybe not until next year on Amazon Prime Day see that again. And that about sums up what I think are the best Prime Day deals, that if you've thought about getting any of these things, this would be the day to do it. Take the rest of the day off and eat meat.